Now we'll start the class and hope we have completed our question answer round, right? Let's see till where we have completed yesterday. So most probably we were completed till question number 7 is done, 8, this one is also done. Okay, we have completed these all questions. Now today we will start with the properties of magnet, and then after that, after studying the properties of magnet, we will start the revision also. And one more important thing, today only I'll try to finish the properties of magnet because it is very small and easy points. So for finishing these properties of magnet, I need your concentration over here in the class, right? Ready? Ready. Yes. So first property of magnet. We have studied about magnet, its discovery, right? Now we are going to study about the properties of magnet. We have studied about permanent magnet, temporary magnet, right? All those magnets we have studied. Types of magnet we have studied. Now what are the properties of magnet? So in our day-to-day life, if you have seen a magnet, so it's very easy topic. If you have seen a magnet. So properties means whatever you have seen or whatever you have observed by yourself, those properties we are going to learn over here. There might be some properties which you might not be knowing. So this is the time. Now it's a chance for you to know about the magnets and its properties again, right? Whatever extra hidden properties are there of a magnet. So the first property says that it attracts small pieces of iron towards itself. So it's very true. In our previous classes also we have studied magnet attract metals like cobalt, nickel, iron, bismuth. So obviously if there are small pieces of iron or small pieces of nickel or small pieces of cobalt, so this magnet will attract those metals towards themselves. So first property we can say it has an attractive property. It attracts metals like iron, cobalt, nickel, bismuth towards itself, right? It can attract. So first property of magnet is this only. It can attract the magnetic material. In one word, if we want to say, we can say it attracts the magnetic material, right? Now, next. So second property, it is saying a freely suspended magnet points in north-south direction. So this is very simple experiment. If you are having a bar magnet at your home now, what you do? You just tie it with a rope, right? Not rope, thread. Tie it with a thread and hang it. If you're tying it with a thread and hanging it, right? If you leave this, so after some time you will find this magnet starts resting in actual north-south direction. It will start resting in north-south direction. This is the property of a bar magnet. Whenever the magnet is just hanged freely, suspended means just left freely. So it will always rest in north and south direction. Right? This is the property of magnet, second property. So first property we understood, magnets attract magnetic material. Magnetic materials like metals, iron, cobalt, nickel, bismuth, right? Clear? Second property we also understood, whenever a magnet is suspended freely, left freely in air, tied with a thread, then it always points, or you can say it always rests, means rest in north and south direction. It always rests in north and south direction after few seconds. It will not happen ki instantly you are leaving that and instantly it will come in the north-south direction. It will not happen. It will take few seconds, right? After few seconds only, it will be resting in north and south direction, right now? Clear? Moving ahead to our next property. Oh, wait. It's time to write the notes also now. Start. Open your notebook. Write the heading, properties of magnet. Write the heading, properties of magnet. And first point you will write, it attracts small pieces of iron towards itself. First point you will write this, or in another statement you can write or you will write this line, then you will write or and this second line. Write fast and let me know. Yes, Tanisha, all the questions in the exam will be MCQ type, no subjective type questions. Pragnya, I don't think so. Screen is blurry for everyone. Please check your connection once. No need to write the paragraph. Not required. The only thing you have to write these 2 points. Just let me know. My screen is blurry. Kya? Is it blurry for everyone? Because I received 2-3 comments as screen is blurry. Just let me know. Confirm, please. Good, Sayash, if it's done. Yes, Hamza, I can see your chat. Nived. Resonance branch, Srimit. Nived is asking, sir, in which branch you are? Okay, fine. So screen is not blurry for everyone. It's very much clearly visible. Those who are facing the problem of screen blurriness, please once cross check your connection. It might be a network issue. It will be rectified within 2-3 minutes. Wait for that. Network issue at your location, not at my location. Right? If you are facing problem of screen blurriness, then there might be a network issue at your location. Yes, I can see your chat, Satvik. Okay, if it's done, just let me know. Yes, Ankit, I can see your chat. Jai Ankit. I can see your chat. Yes, Naksha. Yeah, brar. Okay, Meghna. So your doubt is now clear, na, Meghna? Your doubt is now cleared, na? Very good. Maximum of you completed. Yeah, I can see your chat, Likita. Yes, Bhavita, I can see. Good, Ruthvi. Purple color. Who is asking? Naksha, purple color may not be visible over here, I guess. It's not visible properly, na? That is why I am using the light color. Is it visible, kya? Very good. Yes, Anihal, I can see your chat. Good. Good, Kartikeya. Chetan, please write fast. Chetan, please write fast. Only 2 points you have to write here. This much time don't take. It attracts small pieces of iron towards itself, or it attracts magnetic material towards itself. Right? Yeah, I'll use yellow only. Don't worry. Nelki, what happened? Oh, Nelki wants to play a magic trick with me. Huh? So she is asking to think of a number between 1 to 10. But don't tell me. Okay, Nelki, I have thought one number. Nelki. Let's play. Okay, Avisha, I'll use. If it's done, then second point, the second point we had discussed now. Second point, you will write this. A freely suspended magnet points in a north-south direction, or in place of points, you can also write rests. If you don't know the meaning of rest, so there might be a problem, but it's okay. A freely suspended magnet points in a north-south direction or rests in a north-south direction. Both are correct. Akshay's good question. Akshay is asking if we are leaving the magnet, suspended the magnet freely, why it is resting in north and south only? So Akshay, the answer of your question, magnet has north pole and south pole, right? Magnet has north pole and south pole. Similarly, there is an assumption Earth is also having a magnet inside it. There is an assumption. Earth also behaves as a magnet, right? It is an assumption, geometric north and south. You will study in your further grades also about geometric north and south. So because of the property, attraction property of this earth, also this magnet when suspended freely rests in north and south direction. Right, Nived? Nived has asked, no? Hamza, okay, it's okay, Hamza, no issues. Many of them might be enjoying their vacations, that is why they didn't join today. Hamza is saying day before yesterday 366 participants, today 335. So let them enjoy. Other elements is not attracted by the magnet. Vilok. Other elements are not attracted or repelled by the magnet. So that is why the elements which are attracted by the magnet, they are called as magnetic material or magnetic element. Acha, one more important thing. When we are saying this geographic north-south direction. So it's not like it will exactly lie over there. There might be a certain variation, certain of very minimum angle, and there is not any defined angle for different magnet. The angle differs. So general statement is whenever we are suspending it, it will be pointing towards north and south, or resting towards north and south only. So if done, done, just let me know. Okay, Chetan. Okay. Avnish is asking, sir, why the magnet repels? Why the magnet repels? I guess this will be the next property. Let's see. It's done. Wait, Avnish, I'll give you the answer of your question. It's done. Now, what is needle? Vishwanath is asking what is needle. Vishwanath, have you ever visited to, okay, whenever you have visited to doctor, have you seen that injection? Injection you have seen, Vishwanath? So if you have seen the injection, the front part made up of metal, very thin part, front part, thin part made up of metal. That part of the injection is called as needle, right? Right? I hope now this is a very perfect example, na? Injection. Harshit is asking if a magnet is cut into two, how many north and south poles will be there? So whenever you are breaking a bar magnet in the number of pieces, the maximum number of pieces are there, each piece will have north and south. It will break into north and south poles. Yes, Ananya, I can see your chat. Okay, moving ahead to the next property. Sorry, I'll explain. That's what. Sorry, Shavnish, your question for explaining the why magnet ripples. Just wait. The answer might be in the next property. Wait. Ready? It's done. Next. Yes. So third property of magnet is like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Right? Now why it is happening? Why it is happening? See. Whenever you are placing either north and north towards each other, or you are placing south and south. Not only north and north, it can be south and south also. Right? So they will repel each other because their poles are same. Their poles are same and the you can say charges on them. Now if I use the word charges, then it will be difficult for you again, sir. What is the meaning of charges? So in simple terms, you understand? In simple terms, for now, in 6th grade, in simple terms, just understand, because their poles are same, that is why they repel each other. They move apart, they move away. They are same in the nature, their properties are same, right? That is why they move apart. Understood, yeah? If this north and south, suppose here you can see south and north, opposite poles are attracting. Opposite poles are attracting. But whereas north and north, same poles are repelling. Similarly, if here is south and south, if suppose here is south, if here will be south and here will be south, then also they will repel, right? Write this also, this point only. Third point, like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. And I guess you all have done this small experiment at your homes also. है ना? If not, you can do this today as well. Take two magnets and check from which direction they are attracting, and if you are changing the polarity, means if you are changing the direction, they will restart repelling, right? Or what else you can do? That magic trick. Keep a magnet on a desk, right? Keep a magnet on a desk, and if you are bringing the same poles, means suppose, see, seeing a magnet, we cannot understand which one is north, which one is south. It's for sure. Seeing a magnet, we cannot understand. But by observing them, if they are attracting, it means they are opposite poles. If they are repelling, it means they are at the same pole. But we cannot understand whether that is north or that is south by seeing a magnet. Right? So it is assumed if they are same poles, it means they might be south-south or they might be north-north. So you can do that small experiment, keep a magnet over the desk and start playing with that. They will repel, it will move apart. You'll keep closer. As soon as you're moving it closer, it will move apart. As soon as you're moving closer, it will move apart. Right? So you can have a small experiment at your home also. Write fast, write fast. No, Ananya, you did not have to write the whole paragraph, just only one line. Only third point. Like poles repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Kirtana is asking what is the difference between repel and attract. The meaning of attract is when both two magnets are coming closer to each other. Right? That is the meaning of attract. Or when a magnet is there and other is a magnetic material. So if this magnetic material, when this magnet is brought near to the magnetic material, it will attract it towards it. Means it will move towards the magnet. So this is called attraction, right? This is the way of attraction. Repelling means when two magnets have same polarity on their sides. So what is the meaning of polarity? The poles, north, north or south or south. If they are north and north, suppose this one is north and this one is also north. So when you try to bring them closer, right, when you try to bring them closer, you can feel the difference, that force, repelling force you can feel by yourself, right? You are applying a lot of force to bring them closer, 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 but what is happening? They are not coming closer, instead they are moving either this side or this side, right? Like this force you can feel by yourself when you apply your force on them to bring them closer and closer, right? So when the magnets are moving apart, means you are trying to bring them closer, just leave one magnet on the table, bring another magnet. If you observe that the another magnet start moving away, it means it is repelling. It means it is repelling, moving away. This is the difference only, attraction and repelling. There are two, Avnish. So I guess the other Avnish has asked the question. I'm not sure. Completed now? Completed. This one is completed. It's very hard to make magnet at home. Who is asking? Hamza. It's very hard to make a magnet at home. Magnets are found in two ways. One is natural, another one is artificial, right? So very hard to make magnet at home. But if you are keeping a magnetic material with a magnet for a long period of time, then that magnetic material may possess the properties of magnet. What is the properties of magnet? Magnet, that is attractive property. That magnetic material may possess the property of magnet, but for a very short period of time. It's not ki it will become a like permanent magnet ki you have taken it out and kept it outside, and whenever you will bring it close to a metal or a magnet, it will have that property. No, it will behave as a temporary magnet. They loses their magnetic property after a certain period of time. Right, Hamza? Yes, Likita, correct. Uh, Jasvita, who has told you magnet is always in blue and red color? Huh? Huh? So I guess you have not seen the magnet. But it is the color which is coated by the human. Magnet is actually most probably the natural magnet which they found is like a stone, black in color. Ready? Next, next, next. Sanvita, what happened? Yes, I guess I have missed your chat. Can you please once comment again? Sanvita? Yes, Arush. If you have any question, please comment. Next property of magnet. Next property of magnet. So it can magnetize. That question, sir, can we make magnet at home? So this property of magnet, it can magnetize another piece of iron when rubbed several times in one direction. So the meaning of that, see here, see the figure everyone. See the figure everyone. Taking a bar magnet, right? It is a natural magnet, bar magnet. Here is a steel bar or an iron bar. So if this bar magnet from one side only, it's not like you will keep on changing the sides, right? You will not keep on changing the sides. From one side only, if it is rubbed several times in one direction, means keeping it here on the steel bar or the iron bar, dragging it, ending here, pick it up. Then keep here, drag it, then take it up. Then keep here, drag it, then take it up. Otherwise, so it says maximum number of times if you are rubbing this steel bar or a iron bar with a bar magnet. It is a metal, steel bar or iron bar. If you are rubbing it with a magnet, natural magnet, right? So if you are rubbing several times, it's not like one time, two times, 10 times, 50 times. Several times, might be 100 times it requires, might be 200 times, might be 500 times. So if you are doing this, then definitely this will have the iron bar will possess the property of magnet. Means it will also have the nature to attract others. Right? Right? Clear na? Now, one important point. Before writing this, in third point you have written like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. So this is the third property. First property we have studied. Magnet. What? Comment first. First property we have studied. Magnet can. Comment, I am observing. First property. It is a second property, Hamza. First. Yeah, right, Rishita, right, correct. Right, Vayun, very good, correct. Hamza, that answer you are giving, this is the second property. Very good work now. Correct. Okay, got it. Nice. So those who have answered, it can attract magnetic material, small pieces of iron or small pieces of nickel or small pieces of cobalt. Right. This is the first property of a magnet. It can attract magnetic material or small pieces of magnetic material. Second property, when we are suspending the magnet freely, then it rests or point in north-south direction. Very good. Correct. Correct. Very good. True. So the second we have studied, when we are suspending it freely, it rests in north-south direction. Third we studied, third point, like poles attract each other and unlike poles repel each other. Right? So after third point, when you have written third point, in that one more important line, this repulsion process is called Sure test of magnetism. Surest test of magnetism. Sir, what is the meaning of surest test? To test whether the material is magnet or magnetic material. There is a difference between a magnet and a magnetic material. Is it clear? Listen once again. There is a difference between a magnet. And a magnetic material. So magnetic materials are metals like iron, cobalt, nickel, bismuth. Whereas magnets are found naturally in the atmosphere, in the nature. Not in the atmosphere, in the nature. Magnets are found naturally, right? They are like rocks. So if we know there is a difference between magnet and magnetic material, suppose you find something seems like which is like a magnet. You thought that it is a magnet. Now if you want to test it, whether it is a magnet or a magnetic material, then what you will do? Take another magnet for which you are very much confirm and sure, yeah, this is a magnet. Take another magnet and start testing it. So if any object or any material will be a magnetic material, first thing it will attract. So if the object is getting attracted towards a magnet always, then there is a high possibility that that particular object is a magnetic material. But I want to check whether it is a magnetic material or it is a magnet. For that reason, what you will do? Suppose you are testing it from one side of a bar magnet, right? You are testing it from one side. Now what you will do? Change the polarity. First you were testing it from this side, so it is getting attracted towards it. Now change the polarity. Now test it from another side. When you keep it closer, if this particular substance get attracted towards it, then definitely it is a magnetic material. What I told? From this direction also it is attracting. From this direction also it is attracting, means it is a magnetic material, not a magnet. But if you are changing the polarity, and this object or material is moving away, means you are bringing it closer, it is moving away. You are bringing it closer, it is moving away. You are bringing it closer, it is moving away. It means this substance is a magnet, and this is what called as surest test of magnetism. Right? Clear? Clear? So in the third point, you will write this line as well. Third point, in the third point only, just below that line, wherever you have written the main point, just below that, write this, making a point like dot and write this line. Repulsion is the surest test of magnetism. After that, you will write the fourth point, which we have studied just now. Till here. It can magnetize another piece of iron when rubbed several times in one direction. I request you all to take a screenshot and write it later on, I guess. That will be much better for everyone. Then only we will finish this property and will come on the where? IPL part. Hamza is asking, sir, what is the full form of AB? So where is AB? AB. Okay, actually here it is. Hamza, this statement you need not have to write in the notebook. First point. Second point. This is a steel bar of length AB. Means here it is saying A Hamza. See here. A, B. The length. AB is representing the length of steel bar. AB is representing the length of steel bar. Right, Hamza? Okay. So I hope it's done. Moving ahead on the next slide. Sanvita, a boy was born in 1950 and died in 1951, but he is 20 years old now. Oh my God, very difficult question it is, Sanvita. Sorry, I cannot answer it. I don't know. A boy was born in 1950 and died in 1951, but he is 20 years old now. How? I don't know, Sanvita. Can you please tell me the answers? Amruta, why are you getting angry? Nitya, what happened, Nitya? You're getting angry on me, Nitya? You're sending angry emoji. Darshini, screen blurry. The network issue, Darshini, don't worry. Pujita, okay. Okay, moving ahead to the next property. Yeah, Dhruv, I can see your chat. Abhiram, don't copy Abhiram, है ना? Don't copy. Next property, fast. Magnetic poles exist in pairs. First understand the meaning of this and then you can write this line. So, magnetic poles exist in pairs means suppose, here. You are taking a bar magnet. This is north, this is south, right? So, the meaning of this statement, magnetic poles always exist in pairs. If you drop this bar magnet on the ground, assume it breaks into 3 pieces. Just assume it breaks into 3 pieces, right? If it is break into 3 pieces, then each piece of this bar magnet will have north and south direction. North and south direction, right? The meaning of this line, magnetic poles exist in pairs, is this only. If a bar magnet is break into number of pieces, irrespective of how many numbers. It is 10, 20, 15, 4, 6, 7. Each small piece will have north and south direction, right? Each small piece will have north and south direction. So I do believe you have understood this point. Note down the fifth point and draw this figure fast and let me know. Kartikeya, what happened, Kartikeya? You are showing me gun. फोड़ दूंगा. Write fast, write fast. Hey, don't ask me this type of questions. You all are asking very difficult questions. Huh? Boy born in car, died outside. Baseless questions. Huh, we can break a magnet, but not by our hand. Right, Shanvi? We can break a magnet, but not by our hand. Either by throwing them on the wall or on the surface or by hammering them, by a hammer. It's done. Done. Yes, Sarchika, I can see your chat. Yagnesh is asking portion of the exam. Till here. Till properties of magnet. This is the portion of your exam. Till properties of magnet. So let me finish it fast, write fast and let me done. Sorry, let me tell no ki you have completed or not. Yes, Nitya. Finally, I saw your chat. Huh? Hey, who is asking break? Satvik. What do you do with the break, yaar? Huh? Achha, Vivan Holi. Good. Divisha, what happened? Diagram also. You have to draw this diagram also. Okay, done. Moving ahead on the next. Okay, the figure which you have drawn earlier, it's the same figure. You can see over here, the figure, magnets always exist in pairs. So if it is being break, it will always exist in pairs, right? There cannot be a monopole. Remember that. One magnet cannot stay in only one pole. Like there is no possibility that each side will have north and north or south and south. They will always exist in pairs, right? And every small, even the smallest particle of this magnet will have north-south direction. They will be in pair. Even the smallest, very small, very tiny also, then also it will be in pair, right? Clear? Clear to everyone? Now, this is magnet and magnetic substance. Magnet and magnetic substance. So we know what is magnet and we know what is magnetic substance. Just a recap. A substance which attracts metals like iron, steel, and which always points in a particular direction when suspended freely. You know the direction, right? When suspended freely is called a magnet. Whereas substance which are influenced by a magnet are called magnetic substance. Example, nickel, cobalt, iron, steel, bismuth, etc. Right? Next point is saying a magnet has two poles, one of which is always directed towards the geographic north and the other to the geographic south, right, when suspended freely. Whereas a magnetic substance has no poles and does not point in any particular direction when suspended freely, right? Clear to everyone? Clear? Magnetic substance cannot directed or points towards north and south when suspended freely, whereas magnet has that property. That's why I have told you earlier also, there is a difference between magnet and magnetic substance. Right now, coming on the third point, a pole of a magnet attracts the opposite pole and repel the similar pole. So this is the one major property of a magnet. This is the one major property of a magnet by which we can understand that the particular substance is a magnet only. Repelling property. Only the like poles of magnet repel each other. Right? It does not happen with magnetic substance. Whereas here in magnetic substance, a magnetic substance is attracted by both poles of magnet. Right? Remember this. Magnetic substance is always attracted by both the poles of the magnet. If this is a magnetic substance, just assume this is a magnetic substance. Okay. Right? This is a magnetic substance. If I am bringing a magnet closer to this, so either this one is north pole of a magnet, then also it will be attracted, and even it is a south pole of a magnet, then also this substance will be attracted. Right? This is the meaning of magnetic substance. It will be attracted by both the poles. But another case, if it is a magnet itself, now we don't know whether it is a magnet or not, but we want to check whether this particular substance is a magnet. So the important property is that it will repel from one side. It will not be attracted to the both poles of the magnet. From one pole it will be repelled, and if it is repelling from one side of the pole of a magnet, then definitely the particular substance is a magnet. Right? Clear? Clear to everyone? And this is all about the properties of magnet, and your syllabus is still here only. So you have studied about the previous properties. So you have studied all the properties. First property, what was the first property? They attract magnetic material. Second property, when suspended freely, the magnets rest in north and south direction. What is the third property? Third property. Comment fast. Oh, why? Thank you. Who is asked? Who is? Re. Hamza. Thank you, Hamza. Hamza is inviting me at his home. He is asking, sir, please come to my home to eat my mother's hand make food. Nice, Hamza. Thank you. No need to write this. Arey, you already know, yaar. Notebook, no need to write each and everything in the notebook. The things which you already know, try to skip. This is my way. If you do not know, then definitely should write. If you cannot remember, you do not know anything of these points, then you can write. Or else, take a screenshot. Everyone take a screenshot. Those who are having doubt on themselves, they can write in their notes. Done? Done? No issue, Gayatri. Good morning. Yes, Pujita, I can see your chat. Vayun, what happened? Why are you crying? Avantika, break. Sure, Avantika. Time is done. Yeah, okay, Avantika, will give break. Don't worry. Nelki, I am seeing your messages. Okay. Okay, Nelki, you want to play? I have added the number. Fine. Which number I should add? Add a number. Okay, I added the number. This is done. Done. Okay, that's all for today. So we'll meet tomorrow with the question answers based on the properties of magnet, right? So by that time, just bye bye, see you. Have a nice day, everyone. Let's start. Okay.
Hamza, relax, relax, relax. I have seen the question. Hamza, relax. Okay, relax. Okay, done. Okay, please look at the session. Okay, after that, we'll start each and every question. Okay, we have lot of time. Okay, Friday also we have 2 continuous classes. Tomorrow we don't have any classes. Friday we have 2 continuous classes of maths again. Okay, so let's do it revision with depth knowledge. Okay, relax, let's focus. Okay, everyone. Ready? Ready? Ready. Okay. Yes, just two more questions. I want to conclude with completing it. Okay, just two more questions are there. Okay, with that, this PPT would be done, completed. Yes. Okay. So practical application based questions are these. These are application based question. Okay, we have just two questions. Okay, we have just two questions as such. Okay, we'll complete and we will move to the next. Okay, then we'll start our revision part. Okay, everyone. Portion entire PDF which is there, entire PDF content which is there will be the portion. Okay, entire PDF content. Okay, entire PDF content will be there. Clear, everyone? Done? Ready? Everyone first try this question. Everyone, go for it. Try for this question. Please, everyone, try for this question. Okay, I'm aside. Everyone, try for this question. Everyone, try for this question. Sir, 55. Okay. My date of birth. Okay. 2000. 5th April 2000. 55, okay, 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 55. Okay, one time answer, only one time answer. I can see everyone. Good Nitya, good Abrar, good Karthik. Okay, good. All the chapters which are there in the PPT, that is in the PDF which you guys have received. Okay, there are 3 chapters. Okay, 55. Everyone is saying 55. Okay, so a village of population, how much? 1600. 45% are male, and how many will be female? Okay, it is a very simple question. Just do 100 minus 45. You will get 55. Very good. Very simple. Okay, very simple answer. That is 55. Okay, very easy. Very simple. Okay. Why I was waiting, I was thinking that some of you will do calculation here. Not at all needed. Okay, if male is this, how much will be female? Directly what you can do, 100% minus 45. You will get how much? 55. Okay, absolutely correct, everyone. Okay, very good. Okay, so last question. After that, we will start our revision. Okay, everyone, go for it. Yes. Come on. Everyone, go for it. Hello, Shishanvita. Okay. Hello. Yes, Tarun, please let me know. 8, correct. 880 female. But although we don't need it because they are asking the percentage. 65. Okay. Jashwat is saying 65. Pranav is saying 65. Okay. Bhardwaj is saying 65. Okay. Hamza is saying 65. Shanvi is saying 65. Okay. Question 88, Tejas, I didn't get you. Vedant is saying 65. Tripathi, Shaurish Tripathi is saying 65. Vedant again 65. Advik 250. Check it again. Okay. Pranav 65. Okay. Vedant, one time answer is enough. Satvik 65. Okay. Srinikha 65. Adhya 65. Okay. Nitya 65. Most of you have given 65. Very good. Okay, 65. Done. Okay, let's look into it. Okay, so 35% of 35% in this opt for music class, and the remaining opt for the sports. If there are 320 students in the middle, how many students are opt for the sports class? Okay. Now here everyone who has answered 65 will be wrong, because here no one is asking you the percentage. Okay, see the difference between these two questions. Okay, first it was how many females. Oh my god, here also we have to find how many females are there. We found the percentage, so I have to find here also. Everyone please look into it. Here also percentage, everyone gave the correct answer. Okay, everyone please look into it. 55% is absolutely correct. 55% will be female, but they are asking how many. So I have to give you the count. So 55 by 100, 55 by 100 into how much? 1600. Okay, so 0 gets cancelled. How much is this value? Everyone tell me. The previous question gets 55 was correct. Okay. Okay, how much will be this? 880, correct. 880 females. Okay, so 55. So 55 into 60. 0 carry over 3, 33, 55. So that is 880. 880 females. 880 females. Clear? Yes? With the same logic, come on everyone, do this now. Everyone with the same logic. Okay, please do this now. Okay. 65 is correct. Correct? Okay, 65 is not at all a wrong answer. Okay, but you are giving the answer in percentage wise. You are giving the answer in percentage wise. Okay, so please look into it and convert it. Okay, what is that? That is, you have to opt for. Okay, 320 students are there. How many students have opted for sports? So you have to find 65% of 320. Okay, everyone. 208. 65% is correct. Okay, absolutely correct. Not an issue at all. The previous question, just a second. 45% is not 1600, Baba. Someone is asking that how 45% is 16. No. They are not telling you that. Okay, 1600 is the total population. 100% is 1600. 100%. Okay, out of that 45% is male. Okay, see a comma. There is a comma after this. 1600, there is a comma. Okay, now try for this. 208. Okay, 208 is my answer, sir. Okay, 208. Okay. Start. Okay, yes. Let's move into it. Okay, so what is it? So 65%. First find the sports. Sports will be how much? Sports percentage we will find. That will be how much? 100% minus 35%. That would be 65%. Okay, so now 65% means 60 by 5 by 100 into the total count, that is 320. So 0 gets cancelled. Okay, 0 gets cancelled. Now let's do 65 into 32. Okay, so 0 carry over 1, 130, 0. This is 15 carry over 1, 90. Okay, 0, 8, 0 carry over 1, 2. Okay, so what you are getting? 2080 by 110 is there. Don't forget this 10. Okay, divide by this 10. So what is the final answer? Clear, everyone? Yes, there are only female. In children also we can distinguish, right? Male or female. If the question is men and women, then there would be a question. Now here the question is male and female. Yes, Likita, I can see your chat. Okay. Done? Clear to everyone? Done? Any doubts, please let me know. Any doubts here, please let me know. Next question, there is no next question. We have come to the end of the slide. Okay, that was the last one. That's it. Okay, we have come to the end. Okay, we have finally completed. Okay, good applause to everyone. Okay, good. Everyone has learned. Okay, fine, good. Okay, wonderful sessions. Okay, explain again. Which one, Baba? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Explain again. Which one, Baba? Vivan? Which one? The last slide, sir. Okay. This one? Talking about this one? Vivan. Simple, na? 100 minus 35 is 65 percentage. 65 is nothing but 65 by 100 of 320. So first I cancel 1 0 because there was no other 0 for it. Correct? So what I did next, 65 into 32 I got 2080. Divided by 10 I did. So how much did I get? 208. Hamza, one time question is enough. One time. One time it is more than enough. Okay, clear to everyone? Clear? Will be your maths teacher in our school also. Havisha, based on your location. Okay. Okay, done? Yes, we will do long division. Don't worry. Okay, chalo. Good, everyone. So we have come to the end of the session. Okay, fine. So that is completion. Fine, everyone. Yes, ready? So can we start the revision now? Starting from the first chapter. Yes, clear? Chalo, 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 chalo. We'll start. We'll start back to our first. Okay, let's start. Now, okay. Clear? Clear? Sir, quiz. Yes, quiz. We will look into it only. Okay. So first, let's for a quick recap. Okay. You have to avoid a quiz now because this is a revision part. Okay. Fine. First is factors. Any doubt in fact, we will go one by one. Okay. No other related chapter doubts. We will go one by one in a sequential order. Okay. Now we have 4 classes, including this. We have 4 classes and we have 3 chapters. Easily we can do each one day, one chapter revision. Okay. We will go very slow pace. Okay. I don't want any rush up. First, tell me any doubts in factors. Any doubts in factors. In the screen, do you face any difficulty? One by one we will go. One by one we will go. Okay. Explain example, sir. Where is the example? Example, you can see there are 2 and 3 over. Okay. So 2 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 is there. So 2 and 3 will become the factors of 6. Okay. Also we can find by dividing it, that is 6 divided by 2, we are getting a perfect number 3, and 6 divided by 3 you are getting a perfect number 2. So therefore they are the factors. So first one is done via multiplication and second procedure is done via division. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Any doubt here? Please, rest of the doubts, please, I request everyone. Okay. Hostel, okay, fine. Sir, you are my old maths teacher in hostel workshop. Okay, maybe. Okay, thank you. Fine. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone. Till here. Rest of the doubts is fine. Till here. Factors, please listen, listen. Everyone, hold. Stop the stop texting. Hold first. Hold for 5 minutes. Relax, everyone. Telling you to hold. No typing. Wait. I will tell you. Bhavagna, I said you to wait. Vivan, wait. Abrar, please wait. Then I have to stop the chat box. Should I stop the chat box then? Judge Whale, stop it. Judge Whale. Good. Okay. Yes. Relax first. Any doubt till here? Please let me know. Till here, any doubts? Till here. Here, any doubts? First, let me. We will go slide by slide. Okay. Please. Okay. Sir, can you tell me 9 number factors? 9 number factors will be 1, 3 and 9. Okay. 1, 3 and 9. Okay. Clear? Yes. Let's move to the next one. Okay. So we found the factors of 18 via formation of pair. Any doubts here? Please let me know. Slide by slide we will go. Any doubts? Please let me know. Any doubts? Please let me know. Yes. Yes, Suraj. Please tell me. Explain it, sir, please. Okay, fine. 18, what I did, I am seeing all the factors one by one, 18 by 1, 18 by 2, 9. I should get a perfect number. Then 18 by 3, I got it 6. 18 by 4 is not divisible. 18 by 5 is not divisible. 18 by 6, yes, that is divisible by 3 times. Moment I get a pair, 6 and 3 pair I am getting. So then I will start pairing 2 and 9, 1 and 8. That's how we will get all the factors. Okay, clear? Shanvi, I have read your name. Okay, be happy. Bhagwana, what is the doubt? Tell me. One time can't you type? One single time? Avisha, sir, I have a doubt. The divisibility rule of 6, 7, 11. Yes, I will explain it. Don't worry. Long division. Have we come to long division, Bhagwana? Have we come to that? No, right? Wait, we are going to come for that. We are coming. Divisibility rules again. Again, we are coming to that. Wait, have patience. Yes, Radhika, tell me, what is your doubt till here? Yes, you can write the factors in the same manner. Yes, Shri, Durga Shri. Yes, you can write it up. Clear? Till here, any doubts, please let me know. Till here, any doubts, please let me know. Till here, any doubts, please let me know. I told you, but you are not feeling well. It is by multi. It is not feeling well. Anya, not feeling well. I didn't get you. Okay. Fine. Clear? Okay. Done. Let's move to the next one then. Okay. Fine. These are properties of factors. Okay. Fine. Please read it. Okay. That is, 1 is a factor of every number, although it is the smallest factor of every number. Okay. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Correct. It's a greatest factor. Balki it is the greatest factor of itself. Next, every non-zero factor is less than or equal to number. Obviously, it will be, factors will always be less than the given number. Okay, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Any doubt in these 4 rules, please let me know. Any doubts in these 4 rules, please let me know. Clear? Okay, Shanvika, done. Sir, 2-point explain. Point number 1 is a factor of every number. Second point is that, let us suppose we are taking 21. 21, what are the factors? 1, 3, 7 and 21. Correct? What is the highest? 21. So it is the number itself. So it is the number itself which is the highest factor. 3, again, it will be less than 23. And the fourth one, okay, 1 is the only number which will have only 1 factor, whereas rest of the people will all have, okay, 1 and number itself. Okay, Bhagna. Done. Let's move to divisibility rules. First, divisibility rules of 2, 5 and 10. Any doubts in 2, 5 and 10? That is 2, last number must be an even number. Okay, last number must be an even number. Then 5, 0 and 5, the last digit. Okay, and 10, the last digit has to be 0. Any doubt here? Please let me know. Any doubt here? Yes, please tell me. Any doubt here in divisibility rule of 2, 5 and 10? Two, 5 and 10. 2, 5 and 10. No, sir. Okay. Sir, for 10 it says if the ones digit is 0. Yes, the ones digit and the last digit both is same. Ones digit and the last digit both are same. Both means the same. Examples, please check it. Examples, the last digit here are what? 480. So they are even numbers, obviously it will be divisible. Now here 5050, it is divisible, and 000, all the endings are 0, so it is divisible. Pranav, what didn't understand in 5 and 10? Can you explain me again? What you didn't understand? It is simply the last digit is 0 and 5 and last digit is 0 and 10. What you didn't understood, please let me know. Please let me know. Hamza, I am explaining each and everything. Listen to the class. Listen to the class first. Last digit is always 0. Check it. 10 table, always you check it. It will become 0. Okay. Clear? Next. Divisibility rule of 3 and 9. Okay, for 3 and 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 and sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits. Okay, you can check the example. 1, 5, 1, 3, 6. Okay, 5, 1, 3, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Here, 6 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, clear? Done? No, not necessary, Varshit. It might be divisible by 5, may not be. 5, so it will not, because 5 5 or 10, there is a possibility. Okay, because 5 ends with 0 sometimes, 5 multiple, so it will be divisible by 2. Vice versa, yes, it is correct. Clear? Done? Yes, the divisibility rule of 3 and 9 both are same. Okay, same rules, only difference is that should be divisible by 3 and this should be divisible by 9. Clear? Clear? Yes? Done? Okay. Clear? Let's move to the next one. Okay. Now we have all the rules here. 4, last two digits, you can check here. 12 is divisible. 12 is divisible by 4, therefore the entire number will be divisible by 4. 6 I have made you interchange. Okay, because there was some issue because the sum of the digits were not divisible by 3, so I gave you this example 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so sum of the digits is 12, it is divisible by 3, and last digit is an even number, so also divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 6. 8, last 3 digits, check here, 7, 2, 8 is divisible by 8, therefore the entire number is divisible by 8. 12, if it is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. 15, if it is divisible by 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. 18, if it is divisible by 2 and 9, then it is divisible by 18. 25, last digits are 25, 50, 75 and 00. Any doubts here? Rule 11 is going to come, don't worry. Till here, any doubts, please let me know. No need to write this up, this is just a revision. Rule of 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. 12, for 12 it should be divisible by 3 and 4. 11 is going to come, rule number 7 is going to come. Clear? Done? Let's move to the next one. Divisibility rule of 7. Okay, divisibility rule of 7. Everyone at most attention over here now. Okay, please, everyone focused. So divisibility rule of 7, that is the difference between twice of the last digit and the remaining digits, and the number formed by is nothing but the difference between the twice of the digit and the number formed by the remaining digits should be either be 0, 7 or a multiple of 7. Okay, for that we have an example. Check the rule. Divisibility rule of 35. 35, so obviously we can know that it is divisible by 5. Let's check for 5019. 5019. Okay, 9 is there. 9 into 2 I did 18. Okay, 18. 18 minus remaining digits. What all was that? 501. 501, if I subtract, what I am getting? 483 I am getting. 483. Now 483, still I don't know. So again I took the third digit. Oh, sorry, the last digit. Last digit I multiplied with 2. That is how much? 6. 48 minus 6, 42. Now I know 42 is divisible by 7. Clear? Done? Okay, didn't understood this part. Okay. Please check. Okay, the last digit is what? 9. Okay, last digit is 9. So this 18 which is there, how did I get 18? This is because of 9 into 2. Okay, 9 into 2. Last digit I multiplied with 2 twice. I subtracted with 501 minus 18, that is 483. Again, as I don't know 483 whether it is divisible by 7, again I repeated my step with 3. This is nothing but 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So remaining digit is what? 48. So 48 minus 6 is what? 42. That is divisible by 7. Clear? Done, everyone? Yes, Suraj. What is the doubt? Lagging, please rejoin once again. Okay. It's absolutely clear. Thank you. Done. Sir, we should multiply it with 2 exactly. We should multiply it with 2. Done? Clear, everyone? Done? Because the last digit is 9. 9 into 2, 18. There is a rule for divisibility rule of 7. Okay, clear? Done? Yes. Now 11. Okay, check for 11. What is the 11? The difference between sum of the digits of the odd places and sum of the digits of the even places must be 0, 11 or a multiple of 11. 0, 11 or a multiple of 11. How do I do this? Let's look. We have to check this. 2, 6, 3, 7, 8. Okay. So what are the odd digits? 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are the odd digits. Correct. So let's add them. Let's add them. 2, 3 and 8. 2 plus 3 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. And here second and fourth is even. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Subtract this. 13 minus 13 is 0. Clear? Yes, break at 10:20, correct. Y multiplied with 2, that is the rule for divisibility rule of 7. Done? Clear? Cancellation, what is the meaning of cancellation? I didn't get you. Clear? Then I can see your chat, don't worry about that. Yes, 509, it will not go with 11, no? That will not go with 11 because 9 plus 0 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3, that is not divisible by 3. Clear? Done? Explain which one again. Rather than focusing on the chat, focus on the board now so that you can understand. Divisibility rule of 7, which part you didn't understood? The markings are already given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check which are the odd places. What are odd? What are odd? Which are the odd places? Jayanandan, what are the odd places? Tell me what are odd numbers. First tell me that. What are odd places? First tell me that. 1, 3, 5, 7. So what are the numbers of 1, 3, 5, 7? Tell me. Which places is first, second, first, third and fifth? Which are the numbers? Which are the numbers for first, third and 5? 2, 3, 8. Add them. Add them. Jayanandan. Quick. Quick. Jayanandan, quick. It won't be 16. No. Not 16. Add it properly. Not 16. Thank you, Hamza. It is not 16. 2, 3 and 8. Add it properly. Yes, Suraj, tell me the doubt. Two, 3 and 8. Add it properly. Jayanandan. Jayanandan. 13. Good. Now, what are the even places? What are the even places? What are the even places? Quick. Correct. What is the second place and the fourth place? Jayanandan. What are the even and the odd places? Even places. Come on, even places. 6 and 7, yes or no? 6 and 7, yes or no? Yes, Kritika, tell me the... Yes, add 6 and 7. Add 6 and 7. 13. Subtract 13 and 13. Subtract 13 and 13. 0. So that is what the rule. If you get 0, 11 or divisible of 11, then it is divisible by 11. Clear? Clear, Jayanandan? Good. Okay. So rather than typing, now focus on when I am explaining. Okay. Clear? Next. Now, prime and composite. Prime numbers are what? Nothing but having two only and only two factors. That is 1 and number itself. Okay. Whereas composite will have more than two factors. That is more than 1 and number itself. It will have a third factor, fourth factor. If it has just more than two factor, it is called composite. Clear? Yes, no. Meghalaya, sir, you told she is rising a lot of time, but sir is not replying to me. She told that she is Meghna, what is the doubt? I am seeing your message for the first time currently. Sorry, second time. Meghna, what's the issue? Please let me know. Meghna. Meghna. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7, I said you know. Last digit multiply. Okay. Let's do the numerical together then. Okay. What is the last digit? Meghna, be active and tell me. What is the last digit? Meghna, what is the last digit? Meghna, what is the last digit? 9. 9 multiplied with 2. 18. 18 subtracted from the remaining digits. 501 minus 18 you do. How much you are getting? How much are you getting? 483. 483, what is the last digit? What is the last digit? Multiply it with 2. 6. Subtract it from remaining digit. 48 minus 6. What is it divisible by 7? 42. Is it divisible by 7? Then it is divisible by 7. Then the entire number is divisible by 7. Clear now? Why only with 2? That is the divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 7. Done. Let's move on. Okay. Prime, composite. Done with prime and composite. Clear? Okay. Sir, 9, 4, 6 are example of composite. Correct. Yes. Clear now? Yes. Akhil, what is that typing? Akhil, what is that typing? Before sending it, please check it n number of time what are you sending. Unnecessary things, if it is being sent, I will not tolerate that. This is a class, you should maintain the discipline. Break, whoever are asking, you know the break, when is the timing. I don't take a single minute from the break. Jayadeep, again same thing. Please check what you are typing before. Okay, come on. Now, clear? Mohammed, if you need break, you can leave. I will take class till 10:20. Okay? Next. Okay, prime numbers and composite numbers. Let's look into it. How can they be distinguished? Clear? The anger is not because of that. It is because you are misbehaving in the class. You are explaining the doubt. I can explain the doubt till the 10th time also. But indiscipline is not which I can tolerate. Discipline is must. Okay? Okay? Please look into it. Done? Okay. Yes. Fine. Next. 18. 18 is nothing but 1. There are too many factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. Fine. 9 and 18. So obviously there will be a composite number. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? I'm not showing any kind of finger. It is just a posture. Okay. Clear? Done. Next, 23. 23 is nothing but only two factors. 1 and 23. Clear? Done? Is it clear? Done. Composite means it will have more than two factors. Clear? That's it for now. Okay. Take the break. We will connect again at 10:30. Okay. Please take the break. Let's continue. So now the prime numbers, okay, these are nothing but the prime number grid, okay, that's how we can quickly find out what are the number of prime numbers which are there in between 1 to 100, okay, what are the prime numbers which are there between 1 to 100, okay. So you can generally find it out, but this is just a quicker way, that is nothing but, that's it. Okay, now twin prime, co-prime, the common confusion everyone had. Okay, everyone had. Is it clear to everyone? Till now, is it clear? Yes, good. Okay, very nice. Let's move on. Let's move on to this. Now, this is nothing but your prime number. Sorry, twin prime. So, twin prime compulsory condition is two prime numbers. Okay, you can see clearly in co-prime they are just written two numbers. So in co-prime, there need not be any compulsion that both number has to be prime. You can see here, is 4 prime? No. Is 15 prime? No. But are they co-prime? Yes. Okay, clear? So in co-prime there need not have to be any kind of prime numbers. Okay, still they can be prime. That condition is not there. But in twin prime, definitely there will be two primes. Definitely there will be two primes with a difference of 2. With a difference of 2. Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Shanvika, what need to be said again? Please let me know. What you didn't understood. Co-prime, as I said you, both the numbers HCF has to be 1. Gajwel, is there any issue in the chat box? If not, you can leave the class, no issues. This is not the type of message which I can expect. The same you did in the previous class also. I am not able to clarify others' doubt because of this. Please maintain in the class. Twin prime, yes, twin prime, both the numbers has to be prime with a difference of 2. Okay, with a difference of 2. Clear? Any doubt, please let me know. Cutting method, what is cutting method? I didn't get you. What is cutting method? I didn't get you. Yes, Anas, tell me. Cancelling, what is cancelling? I didn't get you. Cancellation, what is the cancellation? Which cancellation are you talking about? Twin prime, both the numbers have to be prime with a difference of 2. Read the definition. Cutting is equals to cancellation. Correct. Did a mistake? Which one? Where did I did the mistake? I don't know what is chop method. 2 and 3 are co-prime. Yeah, 2 and 3 co-prime. Yes. Simple cancellation. Yes. Done. Twin prime can be 1 and 3. 1 is not a prime, so it cannot. 15 and 17, no. 15 is not a prime number, so it cannot be. That is not known by me. Chop method is not known by me. Sir, so co-prime, they don't need to be primes. Correct. Twin prime, what do you need in that, Abhiram? Abhiram, what is that link which you have shared? Sixteen and 17 co-prime, no. So, 71 and 73 are co-prime, yes. Three, 4 co-prime, no, because for both have two condition, guys. Two condition for twin prime. First, both has to be prime, and the difference of the two numbers must be 2. In co-prime, the HCF of two numbers, in co-prime only one condition. The HCF of two numbers must be 1. That's it. Highest common factor. 17, 19 co-prime, yes. Okay, done. Let's move on. Prime factors, okay. So there are many factors. Please check for 24 what are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 and so on. Correct? Correct. These are the list of the factors. But what are the prime factors here? 2, 3. 2 and 3 are the prime factors. Okay. 2 and 3 are the prime factors. Okay. Clear everyone? Let's move to the next one. Now, prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization has two methods. Okay. One is via division method and one is by factor tree method. Okay. One is via division method and one is via factor tree method. Okay. Clear? So, let's start with your division method here. 17 and 19, I have already said you, they are twin prime. Please focus on the class. Hamza, let it be. Focus on the class. Masses, what is masses? I didn't get you. How to identify whether they given are co-prime or not? First, both have to be prime and the difference of the two numbers must be 2. No, 4 and 15 are not. 4 and 15 are co-prime. Yes. Co-prime. No. Co-prime. How to identify co-prime? HCF should be 1. Sorry. For co-prime, HCF needs to be 1. For twin prime, both have to be prime and difference has to be 2. My bad. Yes. For co-prime only I am saying. For co-prime, HCF has to be 1. For co-prime, only one condition. Okay, let's move on. Guys, I seriously don't understand what is the issue in co-prime and twin prime. Twin prime, two condition. Both has to be prime, difference has to be 2. To co-prime, only one condition, HCF need to be 1. Any other doubt, tell me. Only one condition, HCF need to be 1. Example of co-prime 4 and 15. Example of this 71, 73. Three and 100 for what? Done? That's it. Next, 48, the division method. Okay. So long division method, let us look into it. Okay. That is 2 divisible by 48, that is 24. 24 divided by 2, you will get 12. 12 divided by 2, you will get 6. 6 divided by 2, you will get 3. And 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. So this is nothing but continuation division, okay, to get all the prime factors. So we have to keep on dividing. So we have to keep on dividing with prime numbers until and unless we get 1. Okay, clear? Done? Clear? Yes, perfect. Done? Yes. Let's move on. Now factor tree method. In factor tree method, okay, you can divide. Need not be necessarily that first number itself should be prime. Prime and composite. You can see 6 is composite. So 6 is again divided until and unless we get all the primes at the end. Okay. So 6 again we can write it as 2 into 3. Now see, you can see 2 is also prime, 3 is also prime. So you can stop writing. Okay. Fine. Let's look into it. Okay. Using the factor tree method. Okay. Using the factor tree method. Okay. This is what we have done it up. Just a second. 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 Okay, let's move on now. Okay, let's move on now. See, let us look into it. What are the factors? Okay, what are the factors of 48? Okay, finding LCM. Hamza, have we come to LCM till now? Have we come to LCM or HCF? No, right? I will explain you in that time. Relax. Clear? Okay. Now look at the question. Okay. So that is 48. 48 is there. First, I am writing as 2 into 24. Then again 24, I am dividing into 2 parts. That is 2 into 12. Again 12, I am writing as 2 into 6. Again 6 I am writing as 2 into. Okay. Clear? So these are the factor trees. What are the factors? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Clear? Yes, Abhiram, please tell me. 13 and 15 will be twin prime and co-prime also. Clear? Hello, Ivan. Clear to everyone? 16 into 3 also you can do it, no issues. Divisibility rules was just done, once revise it. Any doubt, please let me know. No, twin primes and co-primes are not same. I have just said it previous class. Pranika, don't sir, I didn't get you. What is the meaning? Okay, so factor tree is nothing but 48 divided with 2, you will get 24. 24 divided with 2 again, you will get 12. 12 again divided with 2, you will get 6. 6 again you can divide with 2 and you will get 3. So it's like a factor tree method. Okay, factor tree. So this is, you can see, right? 2 into 24, then 2 into 12 will be 24. Then 2 into 6 is 12, then 2 into 3 is 6. So it need not be prime factors all the time. Here, at the end, it should all be primes. At the end, it should all be primes. Until unless we get prime. Correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Clear? Done. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the next one then. Okay, these are the worksheet questions. Okay, any doubt here, please let me know. Please look at the worksheet question. Please look at the worksheet questions. Come on, everyone. Hello, Nikhil. Thank you, Johan. Done? Any doubt here? Sir, is 2 to 5 divisible by 25? Check it. Check it. With the help of divisibility rule of 25, yes, it will. Check it whether it is divisible or not. Check it. Any doubt here? Okay. Correct. So find the numbers which of multiplication on division. Okay. On division facts. Find all the factors. Find all the factors. Okay. 144, I think so everyone knows. Correct? Yes. No doubt here. Then can I move to the next slide? Meaning of division? Division means it can divide the factors. Simple. Like for example, 144 can be divisible by 12. Can I move to the next slide now? Fact also. Yes. Divisible facts mean divisible factors. Okay. Multiplication and divisible factors. Clear? Chalo. Next, move to the next. Okay. So A1, the number of factors of the following using. So yes, find the number of factors they are asking. Okay. So this is for the B bit. How many factors are there? There are 9 factors. Okay. Now, what will be the 9 multiple of the following? So simply multiply with 9. Okay. Simply multiply with 9. You will get this sequence. Any doubt in this? Please let me know. Please look at the solution. Any doubt in this question? Please let me know. Long division, we will come, Baba. Everyone is asking long division. We will come to that. First, go by sequential order. We will come to that. Relax. Akhil, yes, please tell me. Yes, you can use the washroom. Instead of saying doubt, please say the doubt itself. Okay? It will delay in clarifying your doubts. Sir, multiple means tables, right? Correct. Yes, Pranika. Sir, no doubt. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. Without division, find out with the division which are divisible and which are not divisible. Without actual division. Okay. How did we do? Divisibility rule of 9. For those who had doubt in divisibility rules, again a golden chance to listen. Listen to the class. Akhil, what happened? Okay, listen to the class. Now see, 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 8. I have added all the digits. I got how much? 37. After adding all the digits, I got 37. Is 37 divisible by 9? No. Therefore, the first one is not divisible by 9. Correct. We need to use divisibility rules. Okay, next one. With 3, check it. 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 is 12. 12, is it divisible by 3? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. Next, 2089. Obviously, last digit is neither 0 nor 5. So it is not divisible. Varnika, not understood the factor tree method. Please retry it once again. Retry the solution. If not, let me ask again. Ask me again, sorry. Okay. Fine. Last one, obviously it is not, because it is not even an even number. If it's not an even number, it is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 6. Last number, it is an even number, 110%, it will be divisible by 2. Is it clear? Yes or no? Any doubt here? Please let me know. Divisibility rule of 6. Refer the divisibility rule of 6. That's there in the notes. Refer it. Refer the divisibility rule. Havisha, refer the divisibility rule. Refer the divisibility rule of 6 and then ask me the doubt. "25th. What is the divisibility rule of 6? How is I read it out? How is I Roy? Read it out. Read it aloud. You have written the notes. You have written the notes? Yes. So what is the divisibility rule of 6? Read it loud. Happy birthday in advance, Shanvi. Read it aloud. Abhisha, read it aloud. Means type it. Abhisha, now you're not responding. Two and three, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. What is the divisibility rule of 2 and 3? What is the divisibility rule of 2 and 3? Yes, Surya, you can have some water, no issues. Satvik, my voice is clearly audible. I have also connected from the device. It is clearly audible. Please reconnect and check it. Yes, Jagannath, you can. Jayanandan, sorry. Last digit 2, correct. Even and sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Yes. Apply that logic for 6. Is it an even number? How is it an even number? If it's not an even number, it will not be divisible by 6. As simple as that. Not even trying and asking a doubt, that's not a valid doubt. You are trying it up, still you are not getting, then asking a doubt is valid. But before that, it is absolutely not correct. Before trying itself. Try first, try for the questions. Okay, everyone, let's move to the next one. Yes. Fill in the blanks with justify your answer. A number is divisible by 9. So it must be divisible by 3. Perfect. It must be divisible by 3 because 3 is one of the factors of 9. Perfect. Next one. A number is divisible by 10. So it must be divisible by 10 factors. That is 2 and 5. That is 2 and 5. Perfect. Yes. So number 1924 is divisible by 2 and. Here nothing and. There are multiple factors. There are multiple factors actually. This can have multiple answers for this. It can be what? It can be 962 also. This is also divisible by 962. 962? No, not 962. Wait. 9, it will get 18. So let's divide. 9 to 4 divisible by 2. It will be 9, 18, and 2. Correct. 6, 12, 960. 962. Correct. 962 only. My bad. Okay. 962. Done? Clear? Any doubts here? Please let me know. There can be multiple. This dash can be filled by a multiple number. Okay. Because 1924 will have multiple factors. Correct? Yes or no? Clear? Yes or no? 6 is also the answer. Yeah, let me check. 9 plus, yes, 6 is also the answer. Correct. 3 is also the answer. Yes. Very good, Rika. Happy birthday in advance then. Done. Okay. Sure. Let's move to the next one now. Okay, let's move on. Now HCF. Finally, we have come to HCF. Now, let's look into it, everyone. Okay, let's look at everyone. Everyone was waiting for this only, HCF, LCM, HCF, LCM. So everyone look now. Okay, look. Okay, that's how we do revision, guys. Okay, each and every slides we go through, we learn each and everything, then we move to the next one. That's how we learn things. Okay, fine? Clear. Let's look into it. You can use the restroom, Baba. Run. Okay, clear? Yes, come on, let's look. Stop, everyone, stop typing, stop interacting, look at the board. Okay, look at the board. At most concentration is needed. Look at the board. Okay, yes. Now, we have three methods. We have three methods to find HCF. What is first HCF? Let us try to understand. Highest common factor. Okay, we have all factors. We have factors in limited. Factors is never infinite. Factors is limited. So in out of those factors, this should be a common factor, and which of the common factor is highest, that is what is HCF. Okay, so first method is via prime factorization. Let's prime factorization method, this also long division. Okay, let's take an example for common factors also. Let me give you an example. Okay, let me give you an example for common factor first. Okay, let me give you an example. Just a second. Yes. Okay, let me give you an example for common factors. Okay, like from common factors how we can find. Okay, the first one. Okay, common factors with first one. Let us suppose I have 14 and 21. Okay, let's find the factors. 14, what are the factors? 1, 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, 7 and 14. 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay, first we should write all the factors. Is it clear? Okay, long division, yes, we will do, Hamza, one by one, step by step. Okay, step by step. Any doubt here? Okay, any doubt here? Any doubt here? I am just writing the factors. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Everyone, I need the response. Again, I should not hear that there should be a doubt. Any doubt till this step? Everyone, respond now. No. Okay, now stop. Okay, fine. Stop now. Okay, stop now. Now, let's come back. Now here, what are the common factors? 1 is the common factor. Yes. 7 is the common factor. Yes. Out of 1 and 7, which is the highest? Highest means the largest. That is nothing but 7. Correct? Therefore, 7 is the common factor. HCF of 14 and 21. 14 and 21. Clear? Understood this procedure? Understood this procedure? Yes or no? Good. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next, let us start doing via, this is the first one is done. Okay, the first one is done via common factors is done. Second one, using prime factorization. Using prime factorization, let us do from the worksheet itself. Okay, worksheet itself we will find using prime factorization. Everyone stop typing, look at the board. Stop typing, look at the board. At most concentration is needed. Sir, if there is a big number, how can we check all the factors in a short period of time? That is what prime factorization and long division methods are for. Hamza, focus on the class. I'll answer that later. Focus on the class, everyone. Yes, good. Come on. Now, 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Yes or no? What I did? Prime factorization. Every number I did prime factorization. Okay, every number I did prime factorization. Okay, every number I did prime factorization. So 18, 2 into 3 into 3, 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. I did prime factorization there. 60. I did prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into, 2 into 2, 3 into 5. Clear? Yes or no? Till this step, I want every respond in the chat box. Till here. Ananya, if you are not understanding this, then there is the issue of division with 2 and 3. Till here. One time yes is enough. One time yes is enough. Till here clear. Till here clear. Till here clear. Please tell me. Please tell me. Yes. Good. Now everyone stop. Stop. Listen. Listen. Okay. HCF. First I am checking is 2 is there with everyone or not. Yes. 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 is there. I am happy. 2 is there. Next I am checking 3. Is it there? Yes. 3 is there. 3 is there. 3 is there. Yes. Now, one more 3. Is it there with anyone? No. 1 3 is gone. So I cannot take that. Here also no 3. 5 no. 2 also no. So what is the only common prime factors which we have? 2 and 3. Multiply those. Your answer is there. That is 6. Any doubt? Let me know. Sir, if a number is there that can be taken out LCM and HCF. Take out to be LCM. I didn't get you, Hamza. What was the question? Any doubt here? Please let me know. Any doubt here? Please let me know. There is 1 5. 5 is not there in everyone. Okay? No doubts. Done. Let's move to, everyone have asked me, let's move to long division method. Okay? Everyone at most attention, stop typing. Stop typing, at most attention is needed. Okay? At most attention is needed, stop typing, everyone. Okay? Everyone has asked long division for a long time. Look into it. This is what long division method is. First, what did I write? 525. 525 I divided with 275. 275 once it will go. Why it will not go 2 times? Because it will go more than 525. So that is 275. 275 once I subtract, I am getting 250. Is 250 equal to 0? No. I should repeat this step until and unless I get 0 as my answer. Okay. I didn't get 0. 250. So I will write this 257 again here and I will divide with 250. Again 250 1 is 250. 250 2 is 500. So again it will go one time. So what it will go? Remainder is 25. Is it equal to 0? No. Continue the process. Now 250 will come here. Just like 275 came here. 250 will come here. The remainder. Sorry, the divisor which we are dividing with. Divide with the remainder. 25 perfectly it will go 10 times. It will go with 250. Remainder is 0. Is the remainder 0? Yes. Stop. Therefore, 25 is your answer. Clear? Sir, if a number is there that cannot be taken out as LCM. No, there cannot be any number that cannot have LCM and HCF both. Okay? Okay. Sir, why only 25? Because 25 is the remainder. I am dividing with that only. That is the remainder. Please check it. Any doubts here? Please let me know. Okay. Anyone having doubt can note down this example also. Okay. Clear down, cleared with long division now. Clear with long division now. Everyone who had the doubt with long division, is it clear? Please let me know. Okay, move. Okay, come on. Done. Can I move to the next one now? Hamsini, what you have the doubt? You can use the washroom. What if there are three numbers to find HCF and LCM? Then I would suggest to use prime factorization. Done. Okay, let's move to the next one now. This was our real life application question. Okay, so what was it? There are 20 roses and 35 marigolds. Okay, 35 marigolds. So we founded the LCM by a prime factorization. Sir, we will have other form like making error down. I didn't get the question, Hamza. And you can type your answer once. Multiple times the same question is getting repeated. No use. Okay. Yes, you can use the washroom. Relax. Yes, you can use the washroom. Clear? Okay. So what I did, first I did the prime factorization of 20. 20 prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 5. And 35 prime factorization is 5 into 7. The only prime factor which is common is 5 here. You can clearly see it is 5. Okay, 5. So there will be 5 such rows. Okay, because 20 rows are there. So as I am arranging 5, 5 in each column, 20 by 5 how much? 4. 20 by 5 is how much? 4. So there will be 4 rows of red. Okay, and 35 divided by 5 is how much? 7. So there will be marigold, there will be 7 such rows. Clear? Break you will get at 11:20 as usual. Clear? Yes? Good. Clear? Yes. Next. Okay. 5 in each row. Done. Next, multiples. Multiples, there will be infinite multiples because table can go up to any number of infinite values. Okay, it can go to any number of infinite values. Yes or no? Okay, 10 ones are, if someone says 7 into 1 lakh, I will say 7 into 1 lakh 1. Okay, so multiples are never ending. Okay, multiples are never ending, just multiplying it. Okay. So what we have certain properties, same like properties of factors, we have properties of multiples. What are those? Every number is a multiple of 11. Oh yes, take any number. 1 into that number is a multiple of 11. Every number is a multiple of itself. Yes. Okay, that number into 1 is a multiple. Every multiple is either equal or greater. Okay, just like in factors, what was it? Equal or less than. Here it is equal or greater than. Okay, greater than. Clear? Next. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself, correct? Obviously. Again, it gets reversed. Just like in factors, it was the greatest number. Now it will be the smallest number. The multiple of an even number is always even, correct? Multiple of an even numbers is always even. Even into any number, it will always give you an even number itself, whether it is odd. You can take an example. 4 into 2, 8, even. 4 into 3, 12, even. Okay. Multiple of an odd are alternately odd and even. You can take the multiple of 3. 3 into 1, 3, odd. 3 into 2, 6, even. 3 into 3, odd. Okay, that is 9. 3 into 4, 12, even. So even odd, even odd, even odd, it goes on. So if you multiply odd into odd, you will get an odd. Odd into even, you will get an even. Okay. There is no end to multiples of a number, correct? As I said you. Okay, there is no end. Sir, this is the second sentence in our brother suggesting is wrong. It should be brother suggest. In this second sentence, her brother suggested him. Is it wrong? It should be her brother. I didn't get Revanshi. What are you talking about? Okay. Clear? Yes. Done. Done. Let's move on to the next point. Okay. LCM. LCM again. There are 3 methods. Okay. Again, there are 3 methods. First is by common multiples. Second, via prime factorization. Third, via common division. Okay. Common multiple is fine. Okay. Via prime factorization. Okay. Via common division. Okay. Via common prime factorization. Any doubt in LCM? Any doubt in LCM? Any methods, doubts in LCM? Please let me know. In LCM, any doubt? In LCM, any doubts? In LCM, any method doubt? Please let me know. Common division. Okay, common division. There is common division here. Let's do common division. Okay. 6, 12, 15. Let me start with 3 as a prime number. 2s are, 4s are, 5s are. Let's again divide. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now I will divide with 2. I should only divide with prime numbers. So 1, 2 and 5. Okay. Again, I should do until and unless I get 1, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 5. Finally, which is not divisible, I will write as it is. See, 5 is not divisible by 2. So I wrote it as it is. Last with 5. 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? What is the LCM? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is 60. That is 60. Done? Clear? With that, we have completed LCM and HCF. Okay. Common division. And we will start with our next class with this particular relationship. Okay. With this particular relationship. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Practice and revise till here. Okay. After this doubt, we will continue in our next class, that is on Friday. Okay, Friday again we have 2 classes. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.